Guys, I am editing my weekend vlog camping to celebrate my mom, and I just kind of wanted to fill in some blanks. It was random and all over the place. I honestly didn't know if it was going to be a vlog, but it turned out really cute and I would love to put it up. So I wanted to tell you, first of all, we went to Oklahoma, Wichita National Forest Refuge, something like that. Really fun. It was about a 3.5-hour drive from Dallas. So we spent Wednesday through Friday there. We went on a hike. Our hike, we went to, it was called Little Baldy. And then we explored Medicine City, which is a little city right outside of the park, which was really fun. They had some water. We had I don't know, we just had walked around in the city and it was kind of fun. We saw lots of buffalo and prairie dogs, so much nature to share with Arlo, so that was really exciting and fun. And then we ended up staying at an actual RV park. We like to do that on our last day to be able to hook up at everything, dump the tanks, flush everything out, and just clean up, because when we go off the grid it gets really dirty in there. So we use that last day to kind of just tidy up, clean up, get the RV ready to sit in storage again and before our next trip. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I really enjoy sharing this part of my life with you guys. It is also a huge thing for me to be able to look back on and just see, you know, how big Arlo's gotten. It's just crazy from our first RV trip to now how big he's gotten and how much he's learning, and just, it's fun. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Teaching Arlo about roly-polies.
Look at her. Ooh.
Careful! Be nice to the bug.
Okay.
Are we done?
I don't know.
Oh no, they're very quick, huh?
Careful. Pick him up. Arlo, look. Wait, hold on. Don't hit. Get that out of your mouth.
Yucky. Don't throw it at people. Thank you. Morning.
Hey, good morning.
Arlo. Arlo. The trash people?
Yeah.
Hey, can you say good morning? From you and your bug bites? From you and your bug bites? Did he? Oh no. Arlo. Arlo. Hi. You want to see yourself? Your dirty face?
Arlo.
Who's that? Who is that? Is that Arlo? Is that Arlo? Go ahead, Winnie. Winnie, go. Winnie, go. Oh.
No.
It's okay, bub.
Hold on to it tight. 2 hands. Okay. Uh-oh.
That's your first. Go around the tree.
Come around this way, buddy. Arlo.
Go ahead, follow Dada. No, I don't know if you should follow Dada that way. Let's go this way. Come on. Oh. I'll help you. Hey, come on. Come here. Let's go. I'll hold my hand. Huh? Go ahead. Is that a pretty flower? Go ahead.
No.
Oh no, what? Are you blowing it? What'd you find?
Yellow.
Is it a yellow flower?
No.
Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow. Winnie, your leash is so annoying, girl. Don't eat the yellow flower, silly boy. You smell it with your nose. Go. You have the worst little bug bites on your head, buddy. Oop, you're okay. Hi, Bubba. Are you peeing on top of the mountain, Winnie? What do you think of the wind, Arlo? Are you watching Dada climb? Let's go!
Where did you go?
Watch your hat. Mine flew off. I went up that way and then I went down a different way. Say Dada, Dada. Say, oh yeah, Dada. Let's go.
Oh, it's so windy up here.
You say that like you're laughing, but your whole belly's showing. And you
Arlo!
say, Arlo.
Arlo!
What's your name?
Arlo!
Stop doing it. Arlo, ready?
Arlo!
Arlo.
Arlo!
Started fire. Hopefully it goes good. I think I got a solid structure. What you doing, Miss Winnie? Scott's putting Arlo to bed. What are you doing, Bubba? Oh yeah, she's going. Oh yeah. Nice. You see him? What do you think of those? Crazy haired man? Want to get out and look at the hoe? Oh, they're making noises. They're saying, run away from this little kid. Oh no, it's okay. Do you want to put this rock down? You want to go put it over there? Come on, let's put it over here. Yeah? Do you want to go put it next to this hole for the prairie dogs? Put it over here. You gonna throw it? Oh no! Good throw. Can you flip it up though? Nope. Good job! Oh, Tootie says, but it's mine. Whoa, whoa, look at him. I wonder if I can zoom in and see. I don't know how well I'm showing anything.
Huh?
I can't tell. They're still out there. Isn't that kind of cool? You gonna leave the rock there? Yeah, that's a little piece of grandma. We gotta leave it here. I think she'd think the prairie dogs were pretty cool. Oh no, it's okay, Bob. Pretty cool, huh? Oh no, it's okay. See his little tail?
Cute, huh?
They're so funny sounding. Can you see it? Oh no! I don't want Bumblebee. I'm trying to catch a freaking... I'm not gonna catch
You
him.
smell pretty.
You did tell me I smell pretty. I guess I do smell pretty. Get out of
Stop flailing.
here! There's one right behind you too.
Yeah, I know. I'm not worried about that.
Hi to the prairie dog.
Oh no.
Oh no, what?
Oh.
Okay, perfect. Let's flip that one over and we're gonna leave that one there. Hi there, little guy. Don't they look so fluffy? He's letting us get so close. It's crazy.
He's big and fat.
Hi. Hi, sweet little chipmunk.
Oh no.
Look at him.
Oh
Arlo, it's okay.
no.
There's one over there too.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, it's a prairie dog, Arlo.
Oh no.
What sound does a
Look,
dog make?
look.
What sound does a dog make? These go tweet, 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 tweet. Not woof.
Oh.
Arlo, let's not get too close.
Oh. Oh.
Uh-oh. Arlo, can you say cool?
Arlo, come here.
Look, there's this one. He's coming closer.
See if you can get a picture with him right there.
Hello. I was telling Scott the whole time they were buffalo and he didn't believe me. Look at him! How cool! Come on, let's go see some buffalo.
And a prairie dog, too.
Where?
Right yonder.
I don't see him. Come on, buddy. Oh, I see prairie dogs over there. Oh no, what are you oh knowing about? Hold my hand. Thank you. Let's go look at some buffalo. Buffalo. Can you say buffalo? That's where Mama's from. Buffalo. Buffalo scratch. Has he got the itch?
Or he's stuck.
No, he's itching himself. I hope he's just itching himself. Yeah, he's not stuck in between the two. Oh. I was like, oh god, he's running. Hi there, buffalo. What do you think, Arlo? Can you say buffalo? Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Buffalo. He
Is
says,
it buffalo?
I could, but I'm not gonna. Can you say bug?
That's the kind of bug that...
Whoa!
Did you see that fish?
Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa.
It's like a
Wow.
big old bass or something, huh?
Hey, Arlo. 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 Arlo Maxa. Arlo.
It's cool, little biker sound.
What do you got in your mouth? Do you want to help Mama put the rocks out? Hey, come on, let's go over here. Come on, buddy. Do you want to take a rock? Do you want to take that one? Come on, let's bring it over here. I don't know why you're spitting, Bubs. Where's Winnie go? Miss Winnie? Oh, get over here, Miss Winnie. All right, Arlo, where do you want to put that one? Do you want to put it over here? You can put it right there. Come here. Did you put it in your mouth? Don't put it in your mouth. No, no mouth. All right. Watch out for the buffalo poop. Oh, stepped right in it. Perfect. Oh, the rock over there? Let's put it over here. Come here, watch. Mama's gonna put this one over here. Come on. You ready? Mama's gonna put this one right over here. We're gonna leave it right here, okay? Oh, do you want to put that one there too? Can we move that a different place? That's Mom. Can you say Mama? Mama? You want to leave that one there? Is that where that one's staying too? You want to put it over there? You can put it over there. Which one? Oh. You're so graceful. Let's go. Go give Daddy hugs. He still needs hugs. Whoa. You got it. Good job, buddy. Get back up and go give Dada hugs. Wow. You want to show Daddy what else you found?
Looks like it has
30 whole cents with a buffalo on it.
Wow. Look, it looks like it has
Does have looks like it have eyes. And tell Daddy those are your treasures. And we dropped some rocks.
Quarter with the buffalo.
Yeah. Throw it at them.
Feed it to him? Feed it to this one? Feed it to him.
Careful. Arlo, throw it. Don't. They're a little chunky. What's wrong? Whoa, no. Say bye-bye.
Hi.
Tall as Arlo. Arlo, who's that? That's Arlo. Going to see some waterfalls. You want to see waterfalls? Okay, let's go. Oh, agua. Ava. Quack, quack. Can you say duck? They're going to float over the waterfall. Oh, no. What sound does a duck make, Arlo? Huh? Quack, quack. Poison ivy? No thanks. Oh, how pretty. Right over here. See? Wow, how majestical. Wow, Arlo, you want to climb up the stairs? Alright, so here's the history. These aren't the original falls. Niagara Falls actually donated it in 1987. So there must have been an original falls. And this is what it is now. That's pretty cool. That's close to where I grew up. You ready, Arlo? Back on the road again.